forgot to record. Yes. So yes, we have Gitika as well. Fantastic. Very nice. Fantastic. Hari bol, everyone. Let's get started. Thank you. Thank you so much. So what are we going to do right now? We are going to have a little wonderful dance together, and then we'll start. Little bit dance. Dance is very important. थोड़ा dance करेंगे, and then what do you call it? Wait a second. Just play one beautiful track. Yes. So everyone, it's very important to dance, right? I'm just playing a number. Life is what but to dance, but to smile, to laugh, right? So as this day is coming to an end, we're going to welcome this day. We're going to say bye-bye to this day with a wonderful dance number. Okay? So what are you going to do? Just have a big smile. Okay? Have a huge smile like this. Smile is important. If your body doesn't smile, dance doesn't matter. Your face should dance. Okay? So everyone, just have a huge smile on your face. Lock your doors. Yes, just lock your doors and just go crazy. Think as if you're a 5-year-old child and just let go. Just dance like crazy. Okay, here we go, everyone. Just playing this number, and that is which is this? Just let's play this. Okay, here we go, everyone. If possible, just put on your videos. क्या बात है? खतरनाक.
Oh God, one more remix.
Guys, music is audible? Just type Y. Anyone, just type Y. Yes? Fantastic. Y for yes, it is audible, right? Nice. Everyone, if possible, just put on your videos so we can see each other. Oh, come on, everyone. Come on, everyone! Whoa!
ओ करके इशारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे
जहाँ जहाँ जाऊँ मेरे पीछे पीछे आए गली गली के आशिक तो मेरा होना चाहे
Come on, everyone!
हाय जहाँ जहाँ जाए तेरे पीछे पीछे आए हम तो है दीवाने तेरा होना चाहे
सीटी बजाए नखरे दिखाए सीटी बजाए नखरे दिखाए बीच सड़क में हाय नाम मेरा पुकारे ओ करके इशारे ओ लड़का
Come on!
ओ लड़का ओ लड़का
आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे
तुषार कपूर की आवाज में कुमार सानू की आवाज में
ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे
ओ लड़का
ओ लड़की
ओ लड़का
Just feel the music. Just let go. Yeah, क्या बात है. Fantastic. Very nice. Amazing. How many of you have danced after a long time? Just type me in the chat box. If you have danced after a long time. Yes, anyone here? Yeah, we have Himanshu danced after a long time. Prabhavika after a long time. Tejas after a long time. Very nice. Me mom laughing next to me. Beautiful, honey. Pinto after a long time. I've danced a lot. Really nice. Fantastic. Rajiv after a long time. So happy to see. Fantastic. Sriram after a long time. It's important to dance, everyone. Dancing is so important. Dancing just reduces all that stress, all that pain, all that absolute thing. Okay, everyone, what we're going to do right now is this. Before we just move on, what we're going to do is we are going to have a quick around 1.5 minute of laughter. Right now we have more than 50 people here, and 50 people, when they laugh, let's show how mad we are. Okay, let's go crazy. We're going to laugh for 1.5 minutes. Laugh like a child. Just go crazy. I'm going to unmute you, everyone. You're going to laugh. We all going to laugh for next 1 minute. Okay, just unmute yourself. I'm just going to putting it on. Let's go crazy. Laugh. How are you going to laugh?
So that's crazy. Oh God.
Okay, fake it till you make it. Ha, ha, ha. Oh, come on, everyone, unmute yourself. Let me listen to your voice.
We are all laughing. Oh God, my jawline is paining.
Okay, fantastic. Oh, wow, fantastic. How many of you really had some like the stomach is like, oh, what's happened here, you know? Your cheeks are like paining, and you know, you had really good. How many of you have really had a good laughter? Just type I in the chat box. Oh, it's so important. I laughed like Ravan. Very good. Yes, you know, if you know, there's no reason, you know, if it's okay to laugh for no reason. If you can, you know, cry, crib, worry, you know, think negative for no reason, it's okay to, you know, fantastic, Mayuri. It's important to laugh for no reason. Okay, everyone, fantastic. Hi, Asha ji, how are you? So happy to see you. Very happy. Wow, the moment of my day. So happy to see you. Yes, hi Mayuri ji, how are you with your child? All these members, we had like a personal session. It was so beautiful. Happy to see them all again here. Okay, everyone, just sit back right now. Take your chest out, shoulders back. Okay, just put your chest out, shoulders back. Chin parallel to the ground, everyone. Legs, keep your legs uncrossed. If you're sitting on the chair, okay? And please close your beautiful, gentle eyes. Please close your eyes. Okay, no problem, Avinash. Just be here right now. Okay, dear? Yes, everyone? Fantastic. Just relax. Close your eyes. Keep your chest out, shoulders back. Chin parallel to the ground. Fantastic. Very nice. And keep your palms on your lap, everyone. Just loosen up your body. Keep your body as loose as possible. Lose all the rigidity that you have within you. Okay, yes. Everyone just start breathing in deep. Just start breathing in deep. As deeper breath you can take. Just take a deep breath. Hold on for the count of 7. Just count in your mind till 7, everyone. Beautiful. And as slowly as possible, with a count of 7, when you want, you can just exhale from your mouth. Fantastic. Very nice. Very beautiful. Just relax your bodies. Eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed. Take a deep breath. Hold on for the count of 7. Beautiful. Hold on for the count of 7. And when you will exhale, exhale as slowly as possible. Exhale as slowly as possible. Beautiful. You can exhale from your mouth. Fantastic. Just relax. Take one more deep breath. As deeper breath as possible. Hold on for the count of 7. Fantastic. And when you will exhale, exhale as slowly as possible with a count of 7. Beautiful. Fantastic. Your legs are getting light and relaxed. Just breathe in normally right now. Just breathe in normally. Your legs are getting light and relaxed. See, your feet are getting light and relaxed. Your calves are getting light and relaxed. Get your awareness on your feet. Get that awareness a little bit up till your calves. Your legs are getting light and relaxed. Your stomach is getting light and relaxed. Your chest is getting light and absolutely relaxed. Your shoulders are getting light and relaxed. Your hands are getting light and relaxed. Your fingertips are getting light and relaxed. Your neck is getting light and relaxed. Get your awareness on the top of your head. The top of your head is getting light and relaxed. The back side of your head is getting light and relaxed. Get your awareness on your face. Your forehead is getting light and relaxed. Your cheeks are getting light and relaxed. Your jaw is getting light and relaxed. Just relax your lips. Your lips. Just relax your tongue. Your tongue is getting light and relaxed. Just take a deep breath, as deeper breath as possible. Hold on for the count of 7. And when you will exhale, exhale as slowly as possible. You can exhale from your mouth. Fantastic. Just breathe in normally. Your whole body is feeling light and relaxed. Every cell of your body is bathed in relaxation. This day was kind of a mixed day. Some good things happened in your day. From morning till this day, some things you did not like. But get your attention on those things which you feel were really good. कुछ चीजें अच्छी हुई आज. Just notice anything that you feel that you want to be thankful for. It could be as small as possible, like you got food to eat, you got a glass of water to drink, somebody smiled at you, somebody appreciated you. Maybe you reached your place safely from your office. Just think of any 5 things that you want to be truly thankful for. Here you go, everyone. Be thankful for the number 1 thing that you're truly thankful for. Beautiful. You can end the statement by saying, I'm really, really thankful for this, dear Krishna. Beautiful. Fantastic. You can have a smile on your face as you're saying this. Really nice. That smile really looks good on you. Always wear it before you go from your house. Fantastic. Be thankful for the number 2nd thing. Anything that happened today. Yeah. Fantastic. क्या बात है, खूबसूरत. Really nice. Beautiful. Amazing. Be thankful for the number 3 thing. Notice anything that has happened that you want to be truly thankful for today. Fantastic. Really nice. Beautiful. Be thankful for the number 4 thing. 4th incident, event of today, anything you want to be thankful for. Very nice. Fantastic. Really nice. This was really a beautiful moment, right? Yes, it was worth thanking for, I know. I can sense it. Be thankful for the number 5th thing of today that you want to be truly thankful for. Fantastic. Really nice. Beautiful. Fantastic. Thankful for number. Let's be thankful for one more thing. Anything that you want to be truly thankful for. Beautiful. Really nice. Amazing. Everyone, just right now, just imagine just below your throat area. Yes, just below your throat area, there is a circular black spot. Circular black spot. In this circular black spot, all your worries, fears, anything you're worried about, your stress, your anxieties, and your fear, it is blocked. It is stored in that circular black spot. It's time to erase it. It's time to remove it. Fantastic. Just notice that circular black spot. Because of this circular black spot, the fear is creeping in. The stress, the worry, the unnecessary thinking of losing something which is of really no value. Just notice it. Just notice that circular black spot. It's time to clean it. Slowly just move your right hand, everyone, and take it on your heart. Just take your right hand, slowly move it and take it on your heart. Put your right hand on your heart. And just imagine, just visualize from the heavens. Blue light is falling as if it's raining. This blue light is pouring upon you. This is a light. This is a soap for your soul. Imagine this blue light is coming and it is just pouring from the top of your head till the bottom of your feet. This is like the fountain of water which is flowing. And this blue light is cleaning this circular black spot. It's cleaning the circular black spot. Their seat is getting cleansed. And as it is getting cleansed, just say this with me. You have to say this with me. Say it out of your mouth, not in your mouth, not in your mind. You don't have to whisper, you have to say it loud. Just say this with me. I take 100% responsibility for the way I feel. I don't blame. I don't complain. I take 100% responsibility for the way I feel. I don't blame. I don't complain. I take 100% responsibility for how I feel. I don't blame. I do not complain. I take 100% responsibility for how I feel. I don't blame. I don't complain. These emotions that I'm feeling today, these emotions that I've felt in the past, the emotions of worry, the emotions of fear, the emotions of stress, the emotions of guilt. I take 100% responsibility for creating these emotions. Today I realize this. I am the creator of my emotions. All the emotions within me are my own creation. I take 100% responsibility for how I feel. I don't blame. I absolutely do not complain. This blue light is cleaning this black spot. Almost 50% it is getting cleansed. Everyone, just say this with me, with the right hand on your heart. You're going to say this to all these emotions. You're saying this to this black spot that is there. You're saying this to the black spot, the negative energies. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. This black spot has been 100% cleansed. It is completely cleansed. And you're 100% purified. You're completely purified. And you can see from the heavens a golden light is coming. Just see, this golden light is coming from the heavens. And this golden light is just passing from the top of your head till the bottom of your feet. Just see this golden light. This golden light is just filling you up completely. Everyone just say this with me. This golden light is my nature. This golden light is my nature. This is who I am. I am peace. I am peace. Peace is not a goal. Being peaceful is my nature. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. Absolute minimum thoughts within me. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. This golden light is my nature. I'm filled with this golden light. This golden light is light of purity. I'm absolute pure. Purity means clarity of thoughts. I know what to do, when to do, how to do. No confusion in my life because I'm filled with purity. This golden light is my nature. This golden light is light of self-power. This is who I am. I'm absolutely powerful from within. I'm filled with confidence. I am confidence. I'm filled with absolute confidence. I know who I am. And I do not need anyone's validation. I do not need anyone's certification to tell me my true worth. Today I realize this. I'm absolutely powerful. I'm very, very confident. This golden light is my nature. This golden light is light of love. I am love. I am love. Love is not a goal. Love is not a thing to get from outside. Love is my nature. I am love. I can feel love for myself. I radiate love to every human being out there. This golden light is light of love. Love is my nature. This golden light is light of happiness and joy. I am happy and joyful. I'm filled with happiness and joy. Happiness and joy is my nature. Happiness and joy is my nature. You're filled with this golden light, my friend. Just say this with me. This golden light is light of courage. Courage is not a thing to get from outside. Courage is my nature. Himmat. Courage is my nature. I'm absolutely courageous by nature. This golden light is light of success. Success is not something to get from outside. Success is not a goal to reach. Success is my nature. I am successful. I am successful. I'm absolutely successful. I am successful. This golden light is light of wisdom. Wisdom is not a thing to get from outside. Wisdom is my nature. I am full of wisdom. I am full of wisdom. I am full of wisdom. Today I realize this. This golden light is the grace of great Lord. This golden light is light of Lord. His golden light is light of Krishna. His grace will always be there with me. His grace will be always there with me in every step of my life. Beautiful. Fantastic. My dear friend, you're 100% filled with this golden light. This golden light is your nature. You are peaceful. You are purity. You are powerful. You are confidence. You are love. You are happiness and joy. You are courageous. You are successful. You are filled with wisdom. Fantastic. Amazing. You're 100% filled with this golden light. Very nice. Everyone take a deep breath. As deep a breath as possible. Hold on for 7 with a count of 7. And when you will exhale, exhale as slowly as possible with a count of 7. You can exhale from your mouth. Keep your eyes closed. Fantastic. Slowly move your right hand. Just stretch your right hand, my friend. Stretch your right hand. Beautiful. Open the fist of your right hand. Yes, open the fist of your right hand. And think about a goal that you want to achieve. Think of any goal that you want to achieve. Maybe 3 months, 6 months, 1 year from here onwards. Could be health, relationship, career, or money related. Watch that goal as if it is sitting in the fist of your right hand. Close your fist. Take it close to your heart and just say with me, yes, I have done it. Yes, I have done it. Oh yes, I have done it. Visualize this goal, my friend. Visualize this goal. Celebrate it. You're not hoping or asking for it. It's done. It's done. And you're celebrating it. Fantastic. Oh, you deserve it. Kya baat hai? Your hard work has paid off. Kya baat hai? See your face in that moment. See who all are there in that moment. Kya baat hai yaar. Superb. Amazing. Fantastic. Really nice. Beautiful. Amazing. You deserve it. Superb. क्या बात है everyone? Keep your eyes closed. Just stretch your right hand one more time. Stretch your right hand. Open the fist of your right hand. Beautiful. Open the fist of your right hand. And think about a second goal that you truly want to achieve. Any goal. Yes. Visualize it. See as if it is sitting in the fist of your right hand. That goal is sitting in the fist of your right hand. Close your fist. Take it close to your heart. And just say this with me. Yes, I have done it. Yes, I have done it. Yes, I have done it. Visualize this goal as if it has come true. You are just celebrating it. You're smiling, you're dancing. Wow! Fantastic! Woohoo! Enjoy it. Beautiful. What a life. What a beautiful life. You deserve it. You have gone through some tough times. And now this has come true. Beautiful. You totally deserve it. See yourself enjoying it. Having fun. Fantastic. Very nice. Beautiful. मजेदार क्या बात है यार. Beautiful. Fantastic. Really nice. क्या बात है. Beautiful. Very nice. What a goal, what a life. You have done it. Superb. Very nice. Keep your eyes closed. Slowly take your right hand close to your lips, everyone. Just take your right hand close to your lips. Good. I can see that. Very good. And just give a kiss on your right hand. Yes. Give a kiss to yourself on your right hand and just say this to yourself. I love you. And just take your name. Yes. Keep saying, I love you and take your name. Yes. I love you and take your name. Keep saying it. Keep saying it. Beautiful. Oh, you can have the smile on your face. I know you're having a smile. Beautiful. Keep saying it. Keep saying it. Beautiful. Fantastic. Really nice. Just keep saying it. I love you. 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 Just say this to yourself. I love you. I love you. I love you. I truly love you. Say this to yourself. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I truly love you. Say this to yourself. I love you. 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 Just put your right hand down. Keep your eyes closed. Someone special. As you're ending the session, someone wants to meet you. You know who? He just told me right now. He wants to see you. And from the heavens is coming Ganapati Bappa. Shh. He has come from the heavens and is standing right now. Wherever you are, he's just standing in front of you with his hands on his hips. And he's just looking at you and asking this to you. How are you? You look very happy today. I can see that happiness on your face. I love you. Ganapati Bappa is coming and giving you a hug. Yes, you are in the arms of Ganesha. And as he has given you a hug, you are saying this prayer to him. Beautiful. Fantastic. You're saying this to Ganesha.
लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को सोंदिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता कन्या कुमारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता जय देव जय देव.
Ganesha is saying this to you, my child. You are not alone. I'm there with you. I've been watching you. You are doing beautiful. I'm always there with you.
भाव भगति से कोई शरणागत आवे, संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे। ऐसे तुम महाराज मोको अति भावे, गोसावी नंदन निज दिन गुण गावे। जय देव जय देव, जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव।
My dear child, I'll always be there with you. My grace, my love will always be there with you. You know why? Why, Ganapati Bappa? Because I love you. I love you more than you do. I'm always there with you. Just be in my arms. I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much.
टांगण वंदिन चरण डोळ्यान पाहिन रूप तुझे, प्रेमे अलंगिन आनंदे पूजन भावे वाळिन म्हणे नावा। त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बंधुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या तरुणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायति समर्पयामि। अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
You are reborn, my child. My dear, just take care of yourself. Right now I'm leaving. And I love you. Ganapati Bappa is giving you a kiss on your forehead. And he's leaving. And he's gone. Everyone just rub your hands. Rub your hands faster. Create that energy. And put that energy on your face. And slowly open your eyes. And just chant this mantra with me. Hare Rama, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Beautiful, fantastic. I hope you had a great time, everyone. Just type in the chat box. Love you all. Just type love you all, love you all, love you all. Otherwise, you can just type LYL is love you all. Love is the most beautiful thing on this earth. It's beautiful to love everyone. So happy to see you. Love you all, love you all, love you all. What a beautiful time. So happy to see you after a long time. Everyone, as you're going to sleep, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, Mayuri, thank you everyone. Love you all, everyone. After the session, please don't use your phones. Just keep your phone somewhere else. अपने phone को बंद कर दीजिए, उसको lock कर दीजिए, ताला लगा दीजिए, and just do anything. If you want to write something, write in your notebook. You want to read something, but don't use your phone. Let this energy translate. Let it go in your subconscious, and let it just play with you in a positive way. Okay, so that you can have a very beautiful, quiet, and a very sound sleep. Thank you, everyone. Happy to see you all. And thank you so much. Thank you, Bhakti. Happy to see you. Very fantastic session, sir. Thank you. Whatever you felt, just write in one word. Loads of love and respect. Thank you, honey. Thank you so much. Whatever you felt, one word, one sentence, just write in the mental athlete group. So rest of the people who are sleeping, who are being lazy, they will get to know what they're missing. Thank you. Good day. Good night. And see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Thank you. Good night. Good night. Very good night. Very good night. Thank you. Good night. Good night, Rajita. Good night, Sai.